out drag racing, he and I, for about 35 years. And I built another Mach 1 a few years ago, the Street Strip, and see if I really wanted to get back in it. And decided I did. And I found this car in Michigan. I was looking for a Maverick, actually.
Oh, cool.
And I saw this car. And about 3 or 4 months later, we made a deal and met him in Bristol area, and we swapped. Got home, getting ready to go to Florida in March or April for bathing, and motor blew up in the garage.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah. Sitting in the garage, through a valve, just went everywhere, exploded. So we had to build a new motor, a 601 now, and runs in the high 8s. There we go.
601, huh?
Yeah. 8460 heads, same, got the Ford block, what is it? I forgot the name of the block, but it's all new, and I'm ready to go.
Tell me about the plexiglass. I see them kind of popular.
Yeah, well,
what is the story behind them?
On the new engine, it raised up the engine, raised the heads were bigger. I did want to cut a hole in the hood, but had to.
Had no choice there.
Yeah, and so my alternative to, I guess, to complement that or not, is I didn't want it to show up, but so I figured the bigger plexiglass was the way for me to go. We just found out that it did slow the car down though.
Wow, man, it's so, I mean, it's a little brick right there, I guess, huh?
Yeah. We ran a 910 yesterday, everything going, and it goes faster than that. So we decided to take the scoop off. We also increased the fuel pressure, so we don't know which one of the two, because we just put a new fuel pump on it. But, so we ran with the hood scoop a while ago, and it ran a little quicker. So we're close to the 9 flat that we needed. So we're almost there. So now we adjusted the linkage a little bit so it doesn't open up the carburetor so far.
Quick, okay.
Real technical stuff. And that's the way we do it. We adjust the linkage back and forth.
Yeah, just turn some bolts and screwdrivers.
No computer,
no laptop coming out. And
So it should be calling us real soon. Next, what, 15, 20 minutes.
Cool, man. You ready to go?
Yeah, we're ready.